Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps are not showing up on Google Play Store. So let's get started. Well, normally when you open up Play Store, then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device. After that, tap on Manage. Then choose Installed. Here, normally, all the installed apps on your device will appear. Now, if you can't find certain apps on your device, then go back. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Then About. And from Play Store version, tap on Update Play Store to make sure if your Play Store is up to date or not. So here, Play Store is up to date, but if yours is not up to date, then update Play Store. So this might be the problem why some apps are not showing up on Play Store. Now, if updating Play Store doesn't work, then swipe down from the top corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to go to Settings. After that, scroll all the way down till you get to Apps option. Then Manage Apps. Now look for Play Store. Then tap on Clear Data. Then tap on Clear Data. Now go back and look for Google Play Services. And do the same thing. Clear all data. Then confirm. And I hope your problem will get solved. Thanks for watching. See ya.